Is that good?
Yes.
Is that good oatmeal? You don't need it. You don't need it to be cooked. Just like it in the rough. Well, is there plenty more in there? Got lots of oatmeal in there? Yummy. Good stuff, right? Yeah. Well, that's all? You're not going to eat anymore?
Dad.
Oh, you're going for another handful? Is this a new thing for you? Is this a new thing for you? Or is this typical? I've never seen you do this. Does it taste good? Yeah?
No, done.
You're done? You don't want any more? Doesn't it taste a bit like sawdust?
No.
No? What's it taste like?
Oatmeal.
Oatmeal, well, okay. Get a little more. You got a big day ahead of you. What are you going to do today? Where are you going?
Tops.
Where are you going?
Horsey.
No horsies today. Today's where you go to school.
Horses.
Well, they might have some horsies there, but you're going to go to school. That's it? You don't want any more? Oh, you want a little more? Do you want to take the oatmeal with you to school? And maybe you can share it with the other children? Maybe they would like a little raw oatmeal. Let's get a shot inside there so everyone knows that it's real oatmeal you're eating. I have video proof.
Balloons.
Yeah, well, I'm sure Quaker Oats would love to have this video. So is that tasty, huh?
Tasty.
That's real. Is it? Let me hear you say it tastes good.
Tastes good.
Tastes good.
No.
Did Daddy put you up to this? No. Here, you want to close the door? Is it distracting you from your oatmeal eating? Maybe we should get your shoes on.
That's it.
What's it? Say it again.
Tastes good.
Tastes good.
Tastes good.
Tastes good. You put the lid on, you take the lid off, take the lid on, the lid off. Okay.
Maybe I'm sick because it's Lynn's first day. I don't feel so good. Come on, we gotta go now. Serious? You did that? Did you get her shoes on, Daddy?
We gotta put your shoes on. Can you put the oatmeal up? Say bye-bye. Tell the little Quaker man bye-bye. Okay? We gotta put your shoes on. Oh my God, you're just like going to town. We gotta go to school. Okay, you can eat some more when you get back home, okay?